into the air, the welcoming scent of lavender and peaches quickly fills your home, then fills you with a little something too. A long-lasting, one-of-a-kind scent only from Life. It's Macy's Labor Day Bargain Sale. Get the lowest prices of the season on purchases from Macy's Beauty Rest.
This will go.
Try it again. Try again. Where does it match his head? Good job. Yay! Good job, buddy.
This owl one.
You can do the owl one?